Xaiver.
Ahoy, Winton School, mateys. Amelie, ahau. I am Amelie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S News 13th of April. We're reporting to you today from the ship.
Arr! Shiver me timbers! The clear sky UV forecast for today is low from 12 to until 2. And mateys, make sure you wear your potoes when you go outside.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is Wharenui, which is Te Rero for hoil.
Where do we go for assembly? We go to the Wharenui. I hope you've been using this word this week. If you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news. None today at Winton School, but someone has a birthday on the first day of the holidays.
Sure does. Michaela from room 3, Richard from room 13, Ollie from room 10, and Vine from room 13 all have birthdays today.
Carly from room 11 has a birthday. Jackson room 3 will be turning 6. Matthew in room 10 will be turning 11. Case in room 10 will be turning 10.
Libby in room 11 will be turning 10. Hugo in room 7 will be turning 8. Thomas, Hannah and McKenna in room 4 will all be turning 6.
Devon in room 13 will be turning 13. Macy in room 5 will be turning 7. Tashana in room 9 will be turning 10. Blair in room 11 will be turning 11. Happy birthday, you guys. We hope you have a special day.
Arr! And that's it for the week, the month and the term from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team.
See you next month.
Haere rā, and see you on Anzac Day, Winton School.
Time to look the planet.